In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect bank and credit card accounts to Zoho Books. Connecting your financial accounts is one of the fastest ways to streamline bookkeeping in Zoho Books. Once linked, your transactions flow in automatically so you can categorize, match, and reconcile without downloading statements every week. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. Begin by opening your browser and going to bookszoho.com. Sign into your account, and if you manage more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct company before proceeding. For best results, use a secure network and confirm you have permission to manage banking in your Zoho Books role. Inside Zoho Books, click Banking on the left-hand menu. This is your central hub for connected bank and credit card accounts. If you're new to this area, it may look empty. That's normal. You'll see prompts to get started and an option to add accounts. Click Add Bank or Credit Card. You'll be presented with options to find your financial institution. Zoho Books groups connections into two broad paths: automatic bank feeds for supported institutions, and a manual route for importing files yourself. If you see your bank in the supported list, the automatic option is the quickest way to keep your data current without ongoing effort. On automatic bank feeds, supported banks, click Connect Now. This opens a secure window where you authenticate directly with your bank, complete the sign-in and any verification codes your bank requires. Then select the specific accounts you want to connect, such as checking, savings, or credit card, and choose the starting date for your initial import. Confirm the connection and let the first sync complete. It can take a few minutes depending on volume. When it's finished, you'll see each connected account as a tile in the banking tab, along with balances and new transactions waiting to be reviewed. From there, you can categorize expenses, match payments to invoices and bills, and keep your books up to date. If you need to connect more accounts from the same or a different bank, simply repeat the same process. You can also add manually. This is ideal if your institution isn't supported or if you prefer tighter control over imports. In the manual flow, name the account in Zoho Books, download a statement file from your bank. CSV, OFX, or QIF are commonly supported, and upload it. Map the columns for date, description, and amounts, then confirm the import. Future uploads will append new transactions, so avoid overlapping date ranges to prevent duplicates. That's all it takes to connect your bank and credit card accounts in Zoho Books and keep your bookkeeping efficient and accurate.